Man, I'm getting hungry. Listen to this, folks. The first annual Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival will be cooking up some authentic foods, Gullah history, and they'll have some down-home music, too. You're invited to feast on what they have to offer. Joining us today, the Queen herself, Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, here to tell us more about the festival. Queen, it's good to see you again.
Good to see Hunter too. I'm glad to be here one more again.
I get the biggest charge when you talk Gullah.
Oh yes, look at Hunter can did down here in Charleston and a Carcatee in Gullah. Look here. If you don't do that, Hunter ain't gonna get one a week.
Well, what does that mean? Now translate that for me.
So you can't come here to Charleston and not hear our own language. If you came, that means you didn't get one of us.
Well, there you go. I'm glad you're telling us
That's
about
right.
it. Tell us about this seafood festival and why you're doing this. I got to show
Yes.
some of these great devil crabs and
And crab patties.
crab patties. Here, look at this devil crab right
Definitely.
here. And these are crab patties, and the smell is wonderful, Queen.
Oh yes, and see that's just the beginning. See that's just your teaser.
That's your
Because
teaser.
we are going to have shrimp and gravy. Because you know it's a Gullah Geechee tradition.
Mhm.
We're going to have fried shrimp. We're going to have roasted oysters so you can see the traditional way that it's done.
Ooh,
We're going to boil
look at
crab
this.
as well. So Hunter Chillin ain't have to just worry. But that kind for Nampa, we got plenty kinds for you. We're going to have cast net demonstrations there so that you see how they're sewn and actually how they're casted, because that's part of our tradition too. And there's going to be some mullet and whiting and all of that thing for Nampa.
And the good news is it is free to get in, just $10 a plate. Is that right?
Exactly right. And I'm going to be doing a presentation. There are numerous other Gullah Geechee artists that are going to be doing live presentations with the language and culture. And DJ Kwame Shah from All Mobile Productions going to spin some down-home music for us.
You know, it's worth the price of admission, Queen, just to hear you talk Gullah.
Well, I'm glad for you that. So I know Hunter coming down the river then. You can bring your boat or you can drive the car.
You
Either
know.
way, we got you covered.
You know, I grew up in the Low Country listening to some of that, and it's music to my ears when you talk like that.
Well, so glad for Yeti that. So we want people to get plenty more music while the Nampa thing on the 30th of this month.
Okay.
Definitely.
Queen, always a pleasure, and
Thank you so much.
my pleasure. You're making me hungry.
Well, see, we're going to leave you that plate.
Oh, this
all
going to
right?
be for me?
That's right. We don't want you to get weak while you're on the air. We're going to keep your strength up.
I need all the strength I can get. Queen, thanks so much. Folks, here's the information. You don't want to miss this. Down at St. Helena Park, free, only $10 a plate. I could eat 4 of these plates. For more info, go to our website, put in the speed word search, Gullah Geechee. Stay with us.
So everybody got their own way for do things. And so when people are coming down here, we want them to know the way that the people in the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association do it thing. Because we own method, like y'all see with the cast net, battle boat, and things like that. If you look at this exhibit along this year's fence here, you learn plenty about who we are. But plenty of time, we take them for granted. We just think, say, everybody know how to go get mullet. Everybody know how to go shrimping. Everybody know how to go crabbing. That's a story. Everybody know how to do these things. So if Hunter know how to do them, you need for whole tongue. You understand? Somebody bring me that gig from right there. Bring me that gig from right there. Now see, if I mention a gig to y'all, what y'all think a gig is?
Who going to the club?
There you go, Ron. Say, who going to the club? Somebody else say a job. Somebody else say been a fish. A kind of fishing. You see this your big thing I can joke you with? Okay? And people used to go out and gigging all in the darkness and jug them with this here. Where other rest of the place, people still are going gigging. But yeah, I tell you don't go out there and do them. A man can carry you and can carry your fish too. If it gets you in the dark. At that time, all the things we ancestors been a do. That's why y'all so big out here now. Y'all ain't hungry to all time, not just because we feed you today, somebody been feed you long time, innit? Y'all know it's true. That's why they don't want to stay over there, because they don't want to get up from their plate. They afraid somebody gonna carry them. They ain't moved yet. They could have grabbed that red chair and been up here a long time. But they're standing it back. So they can't, nobody can get my plate. I gotta stay close to them. But the ticket over here now, the ticket over here, ain't no refill on that plate. So you can carry that empty plate back to that white tent and they gonna throw them in the trash and ask for a red ticket. Okay, y'all think we the play, but this is a real thing, man. I want y'all to come dance with me, because my post for Johns Island, I see that bus still parked there, so that means that churn still here in the park. I see plenty of the churn over there to play. All right, come on, y'all. All y'all who know how to line dance, come on, make your way up front. Make your way up front. Come on. Oh, y'all can stop because y'all even be to the church picnic and everything doing that line dance. Y'all scared because y'all ain't know the song was coming on yet, innit? Y'all ain't sure if y'all can do them or not. Which one you do? Do Mississippi? Yeah. All right. Y'all come on now. This gonna be easy. Come on. All right. We gonna do something y'all know and get y'all warm up and work on some of that food. Y'all ready? Y'all ain't ready because y'all scared. Y'all ain't come to the dance floor yet. Hit them, Kwame Shaw. And y'all give DJ Kwame Shaw All Mobile Productions a round of applause. And we want to thank the Environmental Defense Fund, Sea Grant Consortium, the Piggly Wiggly, Publix, and also the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition, Port Royal Shrimp Company, all the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association members for all the donations that were given to help this event come to be. Y'all give them all a round of applause. And also, we have the Coastal Conservation League. Many times when y'all see me, we've done a lot of things to change laws working with them. They also made a donation so that all this year could happen today. So we thank them as well. And we definitely thank all of y'all for coming out. But we ain't build these dance floor for them not forget you. I want the board to be warm by the end of the evening. Mark, you ain't gonna stay over there and act like you a shrimp. We gonna get you out here soon too. We'll show you to get your land legs. You got your sea legs. And some of them other brothers when they ship off for cooking too. Kwame, we ready? All right, come on Kwame, let's do this.